Omugusi.
Majumuri ni gochara gire Chinsa Ikomi chapona marogo bachingo kwarani SMS itu ya mangana maya na toya sangiru ya kitu kabonero kuboli kwa na ikranso ikende to kwerere na kubonsansa manana na ya to kwarani kulia kitu kaboni nyirana bakwenda gutubwati asensemeri mitandao Facebook tonyore Ndizi TV News wega sensemeri ya YouTube na bagutubwati Ndizi TV News okanya chingaki na baguto tweet @Ndizi TV News wego na baguto mekerengekia gwitera sensemeri ye mtandao wo sensemeri ye nambe yera sensemeri screen gorabu na bagutumira uchumbe ya nyingi utotenga yuturire tikuru na kwarani asenjira ya bene obenanje goiko mwena mangina kwaria niro mubwasi miuro moja ni gobora sensemeri ya naroke korwendete gwa kereko kuboigo abandi gosoma buri wa Kenya kwanza ni gobora sensemo ya Laikibia abandi ni gobora sensemo ya Kituye kero siasa igendete kubwata insimone karutugerte matuke merongene nelimo goja sobochori bwo mwako yo ra sensemeri umuntu asemeri ndi studio asomuntu we manyerero ni gakorwa Joshua Uta niriane Brighton Makoli. Ekero siasa gendete kubeta inze na abantu awo sabara igwe kiriko kwase chinsemo awo anekorwase county ya Gusini gobone nsemo y'abamenyi korwase county ya Kisii banyalire bakomocho kumusana na kwendete kwena kiwagati yo kuri kiroko bugabana ase county ya Kisii gweterase kyamagyodia Msimbarati amano mugabana we county James Ongwae bono nigomenya banyalire bahote abuno kumusana noko ni okoraji kwena kibuna omobwasi miuro moja ni botaji konyora chikura chisaine ase nseme ibono ni bamokiri Simba neneka yarakandibuna nero endete kuturubania emerobelu ya simio ase county ya Kisii.
Ibon kumetia musangerere koba alia Kenyanya omocs oitono arenge na Mr. okorigie kerogo kia Kisii county. Iga tutagete gukwana bororo 7 nabangina ba Kisii county iga. Mr. ekerogo tiana asobosi bwa abantu inga abantu tutachane. Ingomogo chigotachana komo. Nabangina gose nabagaka gose nabasae nandaye buno musae tutagete kwa chinguru jero kendo choko bolie kerogo Kisii county ingigeko gerogo chana fujo ingigeko gerogo tianera baba ingigeko gerogo kuruta banta magena ingigeko gera okobogolia abantu kwa ire mesangerere ko baje kugerera abantu bande igatumanya tengo murayi omuya noyo gojorense asaba abana inji chikura abana inji bamwe chikura unabona omongina ogocha iga Mata Karua togogete mono ingomugake oite president Raila Odinga iga tochorero omongina inga kiteri tuanya kwa egwekero gekenene bune kabangina ngigekogera otagete koreta amangana atagwenereti ngato jo gotachana ingomocha gotachana komo.
It's very sad garo omusiwes matiani agocha go frontline omuntu oyaba kusito kotagete omuntu okosi kills omuntu tuguchime kutani ile yonse tata ite other leaders we express views chiabo kutia saba na inchi amano mitomatiani you come from Nyamira County njenga tunare koko sabaka kisiyeso minto just concentrate asa mangana Nyamira County asogwa kekura yabo.
Egarutugirda senseme yo ya siasa na county ya Kisii ni gobana basubati anene bali bakoko mabwasi miuro moja ase county ya Kisii neri ya Nyamira banyari bagwesoke na kumwarigania amora ibwekia masomo konyi bobo mabwasi miuro moja Mata Karua abarobereri go charit kurara misi ase county yo ya Kisii ni gobateruna nerebia amusubati ikwarigani wa ikyani gabata marama yago cyasa bakenya boygo ni bamotogiri umora ibwekia magi ODM Raila Odinga asoko nyora basubati na kubali bagari akabera sensito ya Kenya.
Nika hapa kwa ajili ya siku ya Alhamisi. Mama Ida Odinga na Mata Karua watatembelea Kisii kwa miradi mbalimbali ambayo imefanywa na Kisii County. Kwanza atafungua gender based violence ambayo imejengwa na mama wetu Mama County Janet Ongera. alafu ataenda KTRH, atafungua Mother Child na Doctors Plaza. Hizo miradi ni mheshimiwa wetu Baba Ongwae ambaye ndiye kiongozi wa hizo miradi mbalimbali. Tunaonya wale watakao kuja, ambao watakaye kuja kuvuruga huu mkutano wa kina mama. Tunahitaji peace. Tunahitaji peace. Tunahitaji peace.
Chaso bonge na hende chi project yo chakotokorera njiri chibutoinwa omongina gotuyariga ni tisasawa tokoganyete na gokworo kina gokogo semeria inga umochitariki kianda ntokore enkore ochiesege kabukia omongino minto chanet ochiesege kabukia bapate 50 Raila Amolo Odinga ege kabwe kikiara ilage goicho ekiamata gya ichoire
igonde no mawoko monene litukuri aramisi naende ngo sabarike bwango mata karua karibu seito busi ida eiwe nyumba litukuri aramisi ligoika yonko bori abangina ba minto monya are gocha so bonge tokaribisa abangina ba minto ngakiye karo barache naende igongwe basaba abangina timonga inwa ekura ya itomobekero Raila Amolo Odinga.
Abana bosubati kurwa sorogongo rwa gusiba kumwarigania musubati matakarwa oyo kagere goswase county ya Kisii litiko lya Ramisi ilikwenda gwakera mu bwasimiro moje kuko ase county ya Kisii kandi tukosikabosyo yotokwenda wekase county ya Laikipia sebono mokonyi wikia makia UDA oyo yochorwa somo ubu kumukonya murabi kia makia UDA William Ruto sokoliga nga yabo yokoba abarayi gusumara yogatana sinzitu ya Kenya digatika shagwa nyarika wate abona baise gochorwa koba barayi gosebese gochorwa sintunde ntangani koba barayi ni barachi gukora umuchando libo waterinte bamenyi bensemeri ya Laikipia kuno bosaga ni asensemi ni galire buna ni barachi gukora umuchando uyu baracharu n'abakenya kwira libaga ya gatano buna barayi asensitu ya Kenya.
Nataka nitoe assurance moja. What assurance nikiwa hapa Laikipia. Mambo ya watu kuuawa na kupigwa Laikipia tukichaguliwa, it is a thing of the past. It will never happen. Ever happen. It will never happen. It will never happen. Because it is irresponsible. It is inhuman for people to elect you uachilie hawa. Tumekubaliana na watu Laikipia? Hiyo ni hakikisho moja hata kabla sijasikiza nyinyi, because I was here and I know people call me. Hiyo maneno ya watu kupigwa hapa Laikipia, hiyo mkituchagua, hiyo mimi nataka kutoa personal guarantee kama Rigathi Gachagua. Na hiyo mkipigwa, mtu ya kuulizwa swali ndio mimi. I'll answer. Tumekubaliana?
Hoyo rengi ni kirenga gyo kurye kirwe kenene kwetera sikia magia usawa mwangi wa iria bagoromo mwangi wa iria ni gobona nyarika kuburi kigambero otegarere kina kiaye keranyarita wanjiru kurye kiru kibura yobane ekarata kirenti maragwa na machikali abegitu ne kyombe kyobochoria mo ne chimbebe ABC bono ni gachira sikambero na kuburi omo na chebi no manene mata kome kumwanjira indi kina kya kinyarika otegaruru enda mayobuna ngochare kurye kiru ekyo goseyaya amaye kwebango cha samatko alebosyo.
I'm boldly driving this process. I've put my matter, and all what I'm requesting from the Supreme Court is, please let me be heard. I'm not asking for any favor. And let me be heard urgently because I've already lost 1 month. Filipi ilipigwa, wakabua wakibie, mimi nikashikwa mguu. So what I've requested the CJ to do is to just accord me a judge, Madam CJ, and let the judge deal with me the same way he deals with the others. Others are taking their matters, they are being executed in 3-4 days. My matter has taken 1 month since I went to court. So, I'm happy. I've been listened to by the Honorable Chief Justice. I've been assured that they are going to accord me a judge.
Asijinga gejejo ningo bono mwangi wa iria nyareka wateabuna nigo bochori butachi korekana korenganere ekera bakenya baendete gusongeru ni mechande menge ekera maguta ekera magori yebintu abaendete gukina sinzitu ya Kenya korengana na mwangi wa iria nigateruna nigo bona abuli serikali kokeya magori yebintu anekera tebruna obosini go bwakinire igoromono eyeirire buna bakenya bange nigo bakorara nchara nigatebruna nigara chikokosereria osikumukia bakenya mbaenda gwakachikura ibuna bosimbori gochokea legally.
Usawa is a movement. It's about equity. It's about equality. We are going to fight. I will fight my battles here to be treated equally. There must be usawa when you are nominating presidential candidates. But there must also be usawa when people are supposed to eat. Kenyans must access food. And I've already gone to court. My lawyers are in court today. We are prosecuting the issue of the price of unga. Food is a basic right. No Kenyan is supposed to sleep hungry. So I've gone to court today petitioning the government to bring down the price of unga to not more than 100 Kenya shillings. Yes. And I'm going to fight this battle. I'm going to fight this battle. The first assignment for Usawa Resistance movement is to bring down the price of unga to 100 shillings. And I want to tell them there will be no general election in Kenya if the price of unga will not fall.
Unenjere yamo yobokoreri obuya gati ense ya Kenya moneri ya United Kingdom nigo bona banasi wetani 200 banyari bakubwatu kujo korero bokoreri ase ense yugo kwana aburitu kuri gorekera cyage tumoroberio yomo wasiri bwo bacene mutaikawe yanyara kawate abuni enere enjere yamo yokubwatana gati ense ya Kenya moneri ya UK eri ababaenda sense meiri go korobo koreri nigatete buna serikali nigo yabikire miroberi ya bene nonye bakogenda sense meiri tebari guchiko chandika kuri
that our workforce, not just health workforce, but the Kenyans workforce as a whole, can play a much bigger role in our diplomacy in terms of labor movement and employment elsewhere overseas. And therefore it is with enormous joy and personal satisfaction that I stand here today to flag off the first cohort of Kenyan nurses to the UK following the bilateral agreement between Kenya and the UK. I'm also glad we have come this far since the agreement between our two countries was signed by His Excellency President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, and the UK Prime Minister, Boris Johnson, in January in 2021. I think it has taken a little time to do so, but I think it is best to do it, take your time, but do it properly. And I think this is what has happened today. We don't want nurses hiding in the streets of London because you don't have one document or another. You are afraid that you'll get caught and be sent home. You guys are going there like expatriates. You're not just going there as guests. You are going there as expatriates.
Ababwatani be sekta yabakori imirimo nigo bono batebuna nigo barachi kubwaterana na serikali rikwena kibuna masingira yamaya asaba kuri imirimo koenda rikwena kiwasinse yitu ya Kenya nigo bayakwana ya somoji Mombasa kero bakirana suke umuyigo yomo sukiranwa na umuwasiri wa manganale pa Simeon Chirui uyote abune serikali nende kubika imirobiro rikwena kibuna bakori imirimo konyora bara masingira amaya.
National Employment Authority ni idara moja ya serikali ambayo inahusika na kazi hiyo na inaweza kuandikisha, kuwafundisha na kuwapangia njia mwafaka ya kuweza kutoka hapa mpaka wafike ukaibuni na pia kulinda haki zao wakiwa kule nje. Na haya yote tumeona kuna hapa katika maonyesho. Tuko na makampuni zingine, baadhi ya makampuni ambao wanahusika. Tuko na pia shirika ya kimataifa kama ILO ambao tumefanya mkataba na tunashirikiana pamoja